at Westlake Hospital. We are so proud that Governor Pritzker announced that it's reopening because this hospital means so much to our community. And I want to introduce you to Shelley, a former emergency room nurse, Maria, and Michael, the head of the Coalition for Spiritual and Public Leadership, to let them tell you why this was so important for us to help fight to keep open. Shelley, you want to tell us why this was so important to someone like you who spent your life working here?
Westlake Hospital was a central part of this community, of all the communities. We weren't only a huge employer here, but we were also the center of everybody's health care. When this hospital left and was closed down, people have no reach out for health care whatsoever in this area except their primary doctors. They walk to this hospital. Many, many mothers walk to this hospital with their children. And without this, those people are not getting the proper health care.
You know, we have Michael and Maria here, and the Coalition for Spiritual and Public Leadership really helped bring this thing home. Maria's a board member. She's from Maywood. She can tell you why this thing's so important in the community. Maria?
Yes, thank you so much, Chris. This is a very emotional time. Westlake Hospital reopening, the lights going back on such a huge building is going to be a beacon of hope for the community. As my other partner here said, when it shut down, it was heartbreaking. And to be able to see those lights go back on and know that this is going to be open during the most difficult time that our world has faced is a great message from our governor and from our representatives that they care about us and they care about this community. And it gives us hope for what the future is going to bring once this pandemic is over.
And Michael is the executive director of the Coalition for Spiritual and Public Leadership. And he reached out to me and really wanted to join in the effort to help save Westlake. We're here and we're so happy to see activity going on here again. How about that, Michael?
Absolutely. Good afternoon, fellow Illinoisans. We are proud as an organization at the Coalition for Spiritual and Public Leadership to have worked in collaboration with Representative Welch. He's worked tirelessly on this effort, as had Maria and countless other leaders from CSPL. CSPL is a nonpartisan, faith-based 501c3 coalition of parishes, universities, community organizations, and we believe, as people of faith rooted in the gospel mandate to work for mercy, compassion, and justice, that this issue was so vital at this very moment as we work together to address the COVID-19 crisis. And we're just grateful to our governor for the bold steps he's taken to reopen this hospital. We're grateful to Representative Welch for all the work he's done, and we're grateful for all the leaders, the organizations that stood behind this in working with CSPL and others on this effort.
So we did it. We did it. Working together, we were able to get the governor to reopen Westlake Hospital. We're all in for Illinois, and it's important that we continue to work together if we're going to all get this through this public health crisis. So stay home, save lives. It's really important that we do this together if we're going to come out of this crisis as one.